British Royal Marines seize an Iranian ship carrying oil off the coast of Gibraltar. British officials suspect the ship was trying to take oil to Syria in violation of European Union rules. A German humanitarian group says one of its ships has rescued 65 people who were found in a boat off the coast of Libya. In Sudan, people celebrate a deal between the military council and a pro-democracy coalition. The two sides agreed to share power for 3 years before holding elections. And North Korea releases an Australian student after he was reported missing for a week.